Hello guys, and welcome back to yet another beautiful tutorial. And today we are going to be making this beautiful Puerto Rican flag necklace. I hope I spelled that correctly, but that's what we're going to be making. And I really love the color combination. It really looks awesome, and it's just an inverse of the Cuban flag that we did earlier. If you haven't checked it out, kindly go to our playlist and you can be able to see what we did previously. So here I've started with the red bead, and then I've added the blue part, and now I'm putting the white star and next the blue bit. So I'm going to go on like this, and we are going to make each column one after the other. And I believe by now, if you have been one of us, if you have watched our previous videos, you are now very conversant with beading. You understand how this is done. So this is going to be a walk in the park for you guys. And for those of you who are new to beading, worry not, because I've got some exciting news for you guys. We have introduced some private classes where we can be able to teach you online on the basics of beading from scratch till you get to the level that you want to get to. And if you want to join us, kindly check the description down below. We have contact details where you can be able to reach us and also book your classes, and you can be able to do some of these things that we have been doing. The classes came about because of the requests from you guys. Some of you have been complaining that the videos are too fast, so we opted to have these private classes where we can have a step-by-step guided tutorial and a much slower one, and it can also be customized to your request. So for example, you want to make a beaded key holder that's of a specific color combination, you can let me know, and we can be able to make that class for you so that you can be able to have a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do whatever it is that you want to do. So kindly check the description down below where you can be able to get the contact details and reach out to me via WhatsApp, or you can contact me directly or call me, and we can be able to set up your classes. I would also love to give a big thanks for all of you who have been giving me numerous suggestions, numerous feedback. I'm really grateful for you guys and all the support that you have been giving us. I'm really grateful for that, and keep the responses coming. All the suggestions that you have, keep them coming, please. And I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys have been able to do. As you can see, we are making very good progress, just step by step, one bead at a time. Remember, as we said previously, and I keep reminding you, beading, in beading, you're going to make a mistake and place a wrong bead somewhere, or do something silly, maybe because your head was distracted, or just something just happens sometimes. So I also do the same. I also do mistakes, and if you noticed on this same tutorial, there's a place where I did a mistake just before we got here. If you're keen enough, you can rewind, check, And if you're able to see that mistake, kindly let me know. The thing is, you're supposed to just be keen so that you can spot your mistakes earlier, because if you're not keen and you proceed with your work, and then you you will have to undo it later on, which will take much more time. So the thing that I would advise you as you're bidding is try and be keen. You don't need to blame yourself so much when you make a mistake, because it's a normal thing. You're a human being and the brain just does its thing at times. So make sure that you're keen enough to spot your mistakes. And as you can see here, we are making progress just bit by bit. This flag is really beautiful. I love it. It has got red stripes, red and white stripes alternating. And if you know what this color combination on this flag mean, kindly let me know in the comment section down below. I'm really curious. I'd love to learn more about this Puerto Rican flag. So if you know what these colors or the shapes mean, kindly let us know in the comment section down below. I'm really looking forward to that. Also, if you manage to make this flag or any other project that you were inspired to do from watching these tutorials, please you can share your work with me, and I will share it here on YouTube via our community tab, where we get to showcase some of the products or the projects that other people who didn't know beading and watched these videos and were inspired got to do something and were able to share it with us. I normally post those on our community tab, so you can check that out as well. And also I do post some of the things that are upcoming, so you can get to see what we're going to do next. So as you can see here, we're done making that very beautiful flag. We're going to snap those fishing lines off so that our work is neat. Remember, before you snap your fishing line, before you cut it out, you need to really counter check your work so that you're sure that it's okay and neat. And once you're okay with that, now we can snap your fishing line. So that's how our flag looks like. It looks very beautiful. So now we are going to add the neck part of it, the necklace part of it, which I've done in alternating blue, white, red sequence, where I've put 4 blue beads, 2 white beads and 4 red beads, and then repeated the same sequence over and over again until we've gotten here. This is like almost at the midpoint, and I really love how this piece is coming out slowly but very beautiful. And this is one of the reasons why I truly love handmade work or artwork, is because the final product is something that is genuinely very beautiful, and it was done by hand, no machines involved. So it's something that you are positive will be very durable. And some of these products, especially the beaded ones, they really go for up to more than 5 years and above. Just a simple thing like what you're seeing here can go for over 5 years. Most people even change them because they have become dirty, but it's not because they're broken or anything. So that's one thing I love about beading, is because the final product that you make is something that's very durable. I really hope that by watching these tutorials you're going to get inspired and try out beading so that you can at least challenge your brain to do something new maybe. And I would really love to see your final outcome. As you can see here, I'm trying to make sort of like a difference, sort of put more blue beads there, and then now I'm going to put the fishing line through the flag, and I loop it through one bead, and then I add one blue bead, and then I pass it through one bead again, and then it should look like this. Okay, so then I repeat the same thing that I've been doing. I pick one blue bead, and then I pass the fishing line through one blue bead on the flag like that, and then I do the same thing over and over again until I get to the end of this flag. By doing so, I'm going to have one thick blue patch on that line, and also it adds to the strength of this necklace. It's going to be something that's very strong. Remember, the fishing line that we've used on this project is the 0.30 millimeters fishing line, which is quite a tough fishing line. The string is very durable and steady, so it's something that the final product is going to be amazing. As you can see, the artwork is coming out very brilliantly, and I would love to challenge you to try out making maybe one flag. It could be the flag of your country or a country that you really love. Remember, you don't necessarily have to strictly do what I am doing here. You can also try out your own concepts, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what you guys have been able to come up with, and I'll also post them on the community tab if you would want me to do so. For those of you who are new to beading, I also have the private classes. Kindly reach out. The links are in the description down below, the details on how to get to me. And as you can see, our necklace looks very beautiful and I really love it. Let me know if you'd love to see more of this kind of beading tutorials, and I hope to see you on the next video. Kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that every time we post something new you'll be first to know, and I hope to see you on our next video.